Good day everyone. Here's another example about addition and subtraction of dissimilar rational algebraic expressions. Number 1, we have 2 over x plus 2 plus 3 over x minus 2. So mapapansin natin dito yung denominator natin, we have binomials. Step 1 is to find the LCD of x plus 2 and x minus 2. So dahil magkaiba yan, x plus 2 and x minus 2, so kukuhanin natin sila as our LCD. Then change the denominator by the LCD. So we have blank over the quantity of x plus 2 times the quantity of x minus 2 plus blank over quantity of x plus 2 times quantity of x minus 2. So for the next step, mumultiply natin yung original fractions natin sa ating LCD. Okay, so first one, we have 2 over x plus 2 multiply by the LCD, quantity x plus 2 times quantity x minus 2. So yung x plus 2, pwede nating i-cancel yan. So we have 2 times quantity of x minus 2. Then simplify natin, distribute lang natin yung 2. 2 times x, that is 2x. Then 2 times 2 equals 4. So we have 2x minus 4. Ito yung unang numerator natin. So yung second numerator natin, we have 3 over x minus 2. Multiply natin sa quantity of x plus 2 times quantity of x minus 2. So this time, ika-cancel natin yung x minus 2. So we have 3 times the quantity of x plus 2. Then distributive property, 3 times x, that is 3x. 3 times 2, that is 6. So therefore, itong 3x plus 6, yan yung second na numerator natin. Then after that, simplify na natin kasi we have the same denominator na. So sulat lang natin yan as 1. Tapos yung 2x minus 4, kopya. Plus 3x plus 6. Kopya lang din. Okay? In-arrange lang natin, no, para makita natin yung mga similar terms. So in this case, we have 2x plus 3x. Tapos negative 4 and 6. So 2x plus 3x, that is 5x. Negative 4 plus 6, that is positive 2. So in this case, wala naman tayo makakancel. Ang gagawin na lang natin is, itong x plus 2 times x minus 2, simplify na lang natin. Okay? And that is equal to x squared minus 4. So for the final answer, we have 5x plus 2 over x squared minus 4. Kahit wala na yung parenthesis, okay lang yun. Number 2, we have a over a squared minus 4 minus 4 over a plus 2. So first step is to find the LCD of a squared minus 4 and a plus 2. Sa a squared minus 4, pwede natin tong i-factor. And the factored form, we have quantity of a plus 2 times the quantity of a minus 2. Tapos, sa a plus 2, parehas pa rin, a plus 2 pa rin. Ngayon, kung mapapansin natin, parehas dito yung a plus 2, okay, copy lang. Tapos, yung a minus 2, copy lang din. So, we have the LCD, quantity of a plus 2 times quantity of a minus 2 or a squared minus 4. So, kahit alin sa dalawa, pwede nating isulat as our LCD kasi parehas lang yan. Itong unan to, naka-factored form lang. Okay? So, now, change the denominator by the LCD. After that, multiply natin yung original fraction by the LCD. We have a over a squared minus 4. So, since we have a squared minus 4, edi i-multiply natin sa LCD na a squared minus 4 para makita natin na parehas sila. At pwede natin i-cancel. Okay? So, therefore, we have a. So, yung a, lagay na natin dito. Okay? Hanapin natin yung second na numerator. We have 4 over a plus 2. This time, gamitin natin yung LCD na a plus 2 times a minus 2. Yung naka-factored form. Dahil makikita natin na merong pwedeng i-cancel. Yun yung a plus 2. So, in this case, we have 4 times a minus 2. Then, distributive property, 4 times a, that is 4a. 4 times 2, that is 8. So, we have 4a minus 8. At ito na yung second numerator natin. Okay? After that, simplify natin. Copy the LCD. Or, at this point, ginawa nating a squared minus 4. Okay? Tapos, dito may parenthesis. Kasi po, ang operation natin is subtraction. Para makita natin na itong 4a minus 8, kailangan nilang mag-change ng sign. Okay? So we have a minus 4a plus 8. Okay? So mula rito, negative times positive, that is negative. So we have negative 4a. Then negative times negative 8, that is positive 8. So we can combine a and 4a. 1a minus 4a, that is negative 3a. As yung plus 8, kopya lang. So dito, inarrange lang, ginawang 8 minus 3a over a squared minus 4. Pero kahit alin sa dalawa, parehas lang silang tamang sagot. Okay? Sa arrangement lang nagkaiba.